Welcome to another episode on my adventures with ESP32. Last time I tried to figure out how to get things powered up with software, powered up and getting on with software. And it turned out that in this situation, so just the ESP on the breadboard with USB cable connected to the laptop, it turned out to be a TTY USB 2 cable. Well, 2 because I have two more cables from USB to whatever. This is serial then for some reason. And it powers the module, as you can see by the red LED here. Now also I haven't done much about it, but it turns out that with Arduino software I can load some board, ESP board, and then do stuff with it. But the question is how to connect things, because I can put software on it but without any of the delivered let's say parts. Let's say this array 4x4 push button, or this LCD, or this 7-segment display, of which I have two. There's not much to do. And there's no LED on it. There is a reset button on it, but what can you do? So those things I will slowly find out how to get things done. And first let's experience the Arduino software using ESP, because that is most challenging. Let's have a look. Right, so now the point is, this is running, and last time I found out that, well, with the Arduino IDE, Integrated Development Environment, I came across this after installing software in the Arduino environment. So now what is available? An awful lot of other stuff. A lot of ESP32, but what exactly am I interested in? This is the development module, and this is the W rover module. And I can check this one. Alright, so now reading here below. Oh, that is not nice. Invalid library found. Which one? Azure IoT, I don't care. Disabled. Default. Whatever. So, will this work? Well, let's go first to the page that I found last time as well. And I am, according to the version without the IDE, that I'm supposed to do the hello world. But how am I supposed to do that? So do I have it here? Where do I have it again? not here. Not here either. And I tap the I touch the tap key a few times for auto fill in. So if there would be any directory that is starting with a small e, it would autofill, autocomplete actually. But no such thing. And now I see ESP-IDF. Okay, let me go there then. And once again, and here we have, that's right, all that stuff, including hello world, which is okay. So I should be here, and they say there's hello world, and I have to do make menu config. So first to hello world, make, but where's make menu config then? This is not going well. And I did copy it last time. So I did do the clone, I did do recursive, I know, so I can skip this. But should I use this? Maybe I can be quite well ignoring this for starters. Then again, if I don't have a hello world, how to do it? Okay, let's just forget about it. I want to connect the ESP32 board to PC. Serial port, well, that's TTY USB 2. Verify if serial communication works. Okay, so let's verify serial communication. That may be true for or is it? Because for the Arduino I have to change ownership. Hold on. Let's open a tab and then sudo change ownership dev tty USB 2. Alright, change ownership. Now what? Because this is already set. So serial monitor. And there's nothing happening. Yet. So everything in here seems to be centering around make menu config, which I do not have. Okay, this means that I have to go back and do it anyway. So let's do it. Alright, next attempt. I edit the path not as it is set in here, but in my own way. And it's working as this is showing. So how to continue? Well, I'd say make a new config. I should then no. And inside here, actually I guess I did it wrong for a bit, but we'll see, because here we have ESP Hello World and I have ESP Hello World. We'll see how this will make, or how this turns out to be. Nothing. It does know it, but no real to make target. Okay, let's go to Hello World once again. This is not making things easier. I would love to do it like this, because I want to connect, upload, build, flash, etc. Unless, of course, I'm doing it slightly different, because right now the complete path is ESP-IDF. What if I go one path back and say, okay, I do it like this. So now I have it here and in the other one. How about now? Nothing. Oh wait, I should go in here, because now the path is only one single ESP-IDF. And no, same stuff. What's in here anyway? Main, makefile. What's in the main? Component make. Hello world main.c. Yeah, right. I did set up the toolchain last time. I did get ESP-IDF. I did set up the path now. I tried to start a project. I did establish a serial connection. Let's go there then. Once again. I do have that. Dev TTY USB 2. I have it. And that's the one I should use. Dial out. Is that something specific? Dial out is very, very old school. Really serial stuff. Should I? Usually you do have any write access. Oh wait, that is also being accomplished by minicom. but now I'm not using minicom, so that may be very different. Let's try that then. Alright. Alright. Verify single serial connection. Put UI, that's that is Windows. No. Put UI. Really? Yeah, then I will be using, wait, new tab, and I certainly will be using minicom. And another thing is, I have two of them right now, so let's see what is here. Okay, minicom -D, and I should be creating one for 2. So VI minicom USB 2, insert, paste, and of course replacing this by 2. Then verifying that everything has the same setting. Yeah, this one should be made executable, so change mode plus extra executable, minicom USB 2. This makes more sense, so let's go into 2. Alright. I need to set the port speed. Configure. Yeah, 0 port setup. That's correct. Okay, now we see here 11.522, data bits is 8. None for parity and 1 stop bit. That's exactly what it is. So verify serial connection. Why? Then open serial port in terminal. Yeah, I did that. But I see nothing happen. And it's still on. So this is kind of a mystery. Okay, so now I'm here with minicom running. However, everything depends on the good reading. The log contents will depend on application loaded to ESP32. And of course, yes, figure out here, I do not have an application loaded yet. even the archetypal first hello world program is not wanting to run. Although, is that even required? Serial flasher configuration. I have now default serial port set. Build and flash, make flash. But why don't I have the ability to run make new config? Why is this? That is a big problem now. I need to be in this directory. Or don't I? Okay, not going too far back. I'm here now, which is the directory where I'm now. SPF. Okay, so I need to be here because here it is still the first one. Make. And actually it should autocomplete now. Make new config, which it doesn't do. Neither does it here. So where does the sketch come from? Where does it go to? Because right now I'm using only this way and not anything about, what was this? Yeah, the hookup guide. Board and port, yes. And this is shown Microsoft stuff. I could do this, load a simple blink stuff. To get something to run anyway. But then I have to use an LED attached to GPIO 5, which I don't have yet. Because as you can see, right here, nothing is attached as yet. I could do that. Then finding out GPIO 5, which is where, if everything is indeed the same, and everything is in very small print, by the way. And then it turns out that this is 5, and assuming that this is GPIO 5, there's no space to to actually connect an LED directly to it unless I move the whole device one lane there. So that would be a gamble. And then a working LED. Oh, right, I do have an LED, which would then be like this. I could try, so let's do that. then I have something at work, anything, anyway. Okay, and now things get a bit interesting. And hopefully this is better lighting. Now I have put the device a bit one lane there, so I have the lane here free. This is, I assume, GPIO 5. I connected the LED with the cathode and anode right here. Is that true what I say? Anyway, plus on that side, minus on that side. However, this is still unconnected. Everything is still unconnected. So I hope this cable will give a solution to that. So here is ground and here is ground. So right now I will put, and I just have to assume that this will connect ground to ground. I have no idea if this is working, and otherwise I have no idea how to put ground to the whole circuit. So if I now put the code into it, will it work anyway? Will I blow up things? I have honestly no idea. But let me just try something here. Right, copy, going to the sketch, which I completely remove, and put this in. Oh, this gives a void and loop anyway. Then going here, so this is loading blink ESP, because I have to give it a name. Save as, and I have here, if I recollect correctly, some ESP stuff, but oh no, that was something else. Okay, so ESP blinking LED. No. Blinking LED. I don't mind. Save. Everything is set as, oh, let me run this as 40 because it said it couldn't connect. And flash size, yes, alright, that should be alright. This is going to 11.512, 11.5.200. Yes, I don't know, QIO, I'm fine with it. So let's see if this happens. Error compiling for board dev module. Okay, let's compile for WRover module then. No, it doesn't. Open the serial monitor and the baud rate 2. Yeah, that's nice. But if it doesn't even compile, so which one to take then? this is a very nice example of how you expect things to run and to happen, and they don't. So, I'm afraid this is the end for now. Out of time. Certainly to go on, but I have two things that I have to wonder about. Wire connection, which board to compile to, and make menu config. Enough stuff for next time. So, that's it for now. As I said, thank you for watching. Enough left for next time. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please, if so, retweet, like it, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like it, leave a comment. You can show your support by making a small donation. You can also decide to become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website, or on my website as well as with my videos, depending on the pledge you make. And more information at the start of this video, and as said, on the website, which is listed in the description box under this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.